Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Shades of Made. Today we'll be designing another party flyer. I call this the Wild Night. It's very simple and straightforward. So I created a new page. I used page size 2000 by 2000 pixel in size. So let's get right to it. But before I start this video, let me show you my YouTube channel. You can see that I have 92 videos here and they are all free PSDs ready for you to use and download. It's very simple and straightforward, so you can actually check it out and download for your personal use or for your client's use. So if you have designs, you can see ranging from social media flyers, party flyers, church flyers, etc. You can just check it out and subscribe and get acquainted with my channel and turn on your post notification. So let's start. So first I created a new layer with the size 2000 by 2000 pixel. So let's do a breakdown of this. I brought this background. Let me control and paste this background right here. Control V. You can see if I turn off this Gaussian blur, I would have something like this. So I added Gaussian blur. Come to your filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So you just had, let me turn this back on, Gaussian blur. What I did next was to add my lights. This is a PNG file I got online. It's very simple and straightforward. I got, if you can see, this is normal mode. This is the linear dot add. You can play around it to suit your preference. Sorry. So what I did next was to bring in my lady image. So my lady image is just right here. You can see now for this lady image, you can decide to do it any how you want. You can decide to add any image you want to add. Very simple and straightforward. What I did here was to, okay, let me delete this part. Sorry, Control C. Let me unlink, delete layer mask. You can see this one has a sharp edge here, but I didn't want it to have a sharp edge. I added layer mask here. I added a mask and I clicked on my gradient tool. With my foreground color set to black, I gently brush something like this. Then I added a new layer with my foreground color also set to black. I click on my gradient tool and I gently brushed something like this. So you can decide to have this. You can just play around and everything. It's very easy and straightforward. The other I did next was to bring in my lights. Control C, then Control V. You can see just my light, just to play around it, just to blend in the image with the soft. So it's very simple and straightforward. You can do something like this. You can have this. You can have any kind of light you want to add. So it's very simple and straightforward. Then also for my text, let me switch this off. For my text, you can see that this is it's looking like a 3D text, but it's not a 3D text. What I did here was to create this first text. I used the font Antique Olive SD not italic as the type. Now, and I added stroke size 3 inside, blend mode normal. Then for the filter, you can even add color, which is white. Let me change the color white. It's still the same thing. Then I added gradient overlay. Now for location 1, you can see that it's location 0, you can see that it's a yellow color also, or like orange. F7971E. Then for location 100, you can see I have FFD 200 for this. So I duplicated this text. You can see. Then I added another effect to this particular one. It is called the bevel and the emboss. I added bevel and emboss. Inner bevel. Technique is smooth. Depth is 100. Direction is up. Size is 16. Scale is 0. This 90/30. Color is yellow. Then the blend mode, the highlight mode is screen. shadow mode is multiply, and opacity as 89. Now for the contour, I used normal contour, this contour range 100, then drop shadow, not really necessary. Then I actually brought this first text on top this one, so it look like it's extruded. You can see something like this. You can see something like this. So you can play around it. It's very simple and straightforward. Something like this. Then for this live, I used the font autograph personal. Then I use the same font for the text behind the image also. You can see this text, something like this. This text behind this. Sorry, trying to look for the text. This text, I used autograph for the text, and I used outer glow, which is all. So you can play around the colors too, and you can have fun with it. So I'll be dropping the free PSD file in the link below. So please do well to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.